All right, Danielle, thanks very much for that. And we want to mention here that obviously we're going to see a little bit of rain this weekend, but there's a great chance that, yes, the old sunshine will come out to play at some point.
Yeah, and we always say this to people, no matter what your shade, as dark as I am, I tell people I put on sunscreen like it's my job. It doesn't take that long. It doesn't matter if you're dark skinned or not. You can get a sunburn.
Indeed you will, no doubt about it. Dr. Robert Miller is here with us this morning, and we're understanding that it's true that anybody can get a sunburn.
Good morning, Dr. Miller.
Morning. Yeah, the more fair-skinned you are, the more you freckle, the more you burn, the more likely you are to get skin cancer or aging. So that's the group we focus on.
And so what should folks be aware of this weekend? Because they're going to be out at the beach, they're going to be out at the ball field, they're going to be on the boats, and things like that. What should we know?
Yeah, the Cancer Society, they have a slogan that says slip, slop, slap, wrap. So what they want you to do is think in terms of slip on some covering, sunglasses or a hat, slop on some sunscreen. Anything over SPS of 15 is probably good enough. Then they want you to slap on a hat or a coverage, and obviously if it's a baseball cap, you want the cap to cover your nose and your ears.
All right, and we understand we have a lovely model who will join us now live here to demonstrate everything that you just talked about.
I didn't know we were having models today.
Yeah. Surprise. Yeah, exactly. Nice little surprise there. So if you will.
We've heard this before. A shot glass full of lotion is what
Yeah,
is
normally
the minimum
1 ounce or a palm-sized amount. And the thing they encourage you to do is reapply this every 2 hours, or if you're sweating or in the water, when you come out of the water, even more frequently. Probably the biggest mistake people do is they don't put enough sunscreen on and they don't reapply it frequently.
And because you're sweating out there too, it washes off, or if you go swimming, you should reapply it. Show us what our lovely model needs to do. How should she be covered up?
Well, the first thing she should do is slip on her sunglasses and protect your eyes. Then she should slop on some of the sunscreen. Again, at least a palm
It's hard to slop it on. She needs an extra
holding,
hand.
yeah.
Let's pretend she slopped on a shot glass.
And then she should slap on her hat, and an umbrella or parasol would probably be even better.
Oh my goodness.
And then she should remember to wrap her whole body, arms and legs, every sun-exposed area.
Yeah.
15 to 30 minutes before you go out, and then, as we said, reapply that every 2 hours.
Yeah, and we understand that the sun is strongest between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m.
Yeah, it's the heat of the day, but down here, anything between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. is the worst time.
And no matter how much time you're spending outside, I mean, anywhere from 20 minutes to 2 hours, you should be doing this?
Yeah, and they like to say it only takes 5 seconds to learn these tips, but 5 minutes to get a sunburn.
Sure. All right.
So fair-skinned people, again, like me, even 5 minutes in the sun and you're starting to get red.
All right, Dr. Miller, some great advice there. Thank you for joining us this morning, and happy 4th of July to you.
All right, what we're going to do here, we're at the baseball